used to it na po kasi nga since marami na pong nagawa before.
So usually one take lang?
No!
Mga ilan?
Depende sa eksena.
Okay.
Like, for example, yung sa wedding,
Okay.
that was like, you kissed me maybe like 6-7 times.
Nakasobra naman ang kiss ni James kay Nadine sa kanilang show sa Surigao nitong weekend. Sa kuhang video ng fans, imbes na kiss lang, kinagat ni James si Nadine sa leeg.
That was part of the game. Dinner nila kami.
Ikaw?
Me. So, kissed me on the neck.
Okay.
And I was like, that shouldn't be too hard because,
Okay.
you know, we have a lot of kissing scenes. So, when I kissed her, I don't know, I just bit her on the neck.
Nagulat po ako kasi I was expecting a kiss lang.
Nag-apologize ka naman, ha? Hindi.
No.
Mapa-on o off-cam, good vibes at komportable na sina James at Nadine. At ang chemistry ito ang nagbibigay buhay at nagpapakilig sa kwento ni Leia at Clark gabi-gabi. Lilipad naman ngayong Webes sa puntang Europe sina James at Nadine para sa Asas London sa September 6.
Achieve! Ikaw na. Just go, Lord!
MJ Felipe, ABS-CBN.